Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking to incorporate good fats into your diet, ones that are high in oleocanthal and antioxidants, then you're going to be as in love with this extra virgin olive oil that I got from Liokareas as I am. This is high phenolic, cold-pressed olive oil. This is not used in cooking. In fact, I just love actually shooting it from the glass that comes with the bottle. You can tell that this is really high quality. It has that nice peppery finish that kind of hits you in the back of the throat. When I feel that, ooh, I know it's good for me. This has a really amazing bold flavor. Again, you can shoot it straight from this glass. About 15 milliliters a day is what's recommended. Or you could drizzle it over other food. Just make sure that you're not heating it. This olive oil even comes with its own certificate of analysis so that you can verify that everything it claims to be, it is. And this is from a third party. Not only does it taste good, but I feel that it is really good for me and I enjoy consuming it every single day. Of course, I'm not a healthcare professional, so if you feel that this is a supplement that might benefit you, then you should definitely check with your healthcare provider. I feel that it's been amazing for me, and that's my point of view.